नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर धर्मेंद्र आहूजा, डायरेक्टर फैकल्टी ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Students, as we are studying from few sessions the toxicity. So in this session we will cover the topic genetotoxicity and carcinogenicity. We will cover genetotoxicity and carcinogenicity, basic about genetotoxicity and carcinogenicity. So first we will take genetotoxicity. Actually students, genetotoxicity may be defined a harmful effect of drug when reaches to genetic level and affects the offspring of a subject, then the condition is called as genetotoxicity. What is genetotoxicity? When the harmful effect or toxicity of a drug molecule reaches to genetic level and causes harmful effect in offsprings also, then the toxicity is called as genetotoxicity. Students, genetotoxicity, this was the definition. Now we will see how it can be evaluated and then few more whereabouts about it. So how it can be evaluated? Genetotoxicity, first of all, it has to be checked at preclinical level and clinical level. Whenever a drug molecule is coming at market, the genetotoxicity is checked at preclinical trial also and clinical trial in phase first. So it is checked at preclinical trial also and also in clinical trial phase first. So how it is checked? It can be checked on animals, human beings, and also on cell lines. The basic idea behind this is to check whether a drug is affecting the genetic structure of an animal or human being or not. In clinical phases, in certain cases, phase 4 trial also detects some genetotoxicity. So we will see till now what we have understood. First we are taking the two topics here, genetotoxicity and carcinogenicity. Then we have started genetotoxicity. Genetotoxicity, if a drug causes harmful effect in genetic material, which may come in offsprings or the child or children of a human being and all. So, or reaches to fetus. Now, it is checked at preclinical level and clinical level. Preclinical level in animals, in clinical level in human being, in phase first on lesser number of animal, and in phase 4 also if any further cases comes of genetotoxicity. As far as evaluation is concerned, it can be done in animals, human beings, and also it can be done in vitro on cell lines also. So now on animals, how we can check? Students, in this category, in preclinical level on animals, we used to administer the drug to a particular species, rat, mice, guinea pig. Then we, or rabbit, we evaluate their genetic structure before, and then in the offsprings we once again evaluate the genetic structure. If there is a change or an alteration in genetic structure, then the drug is called to have genetotoxicity. How in clinical phase first also it is very tedious, but it can be done by administering the drug and then evaluating the genetics markers. Actually, to evaluate genetic structure, certain genetic markers are considered in preclinical and clinical, so that easily the point can be identified. Genetic marker are the key points of genetic structure which are checked uh, to find out that genetic structure has changed or not. So uh, in human beings also, in human beings in phase 4 also it is done. When a drug comes in market and it circulates, even then in a after 10 years or 20 years, if anyone reports that my child has got this disease due to using this, so that is phase 4 trial. So this was the point. Now in cell lines also it can be done. Cell lines are taken, then drug is given in vitro analysis. Cell lines are taken in a petri dish or any medium, then the drug is inserted, effect is seen, and effect is evaluated by considering particular biomarker. We can check any biomarker and we can evaluate the effect. So this was about genetotoxicity. Now we will see carcinogenicity. Carcinogenicity is what? Carcinogenicity is cancer. Carcinogenicity is tumor or cancer causing effect of a drug. If a harmful effect of a drug causes cancer or tumor to a subject, then the drug is called to have carcinogenic. Now how it evaluated or when it is evaluated? For a drug discovery, it is evaluated at preclinical phase, clinical phase first, and clinical phase 4 also. So preclinical phase on animals, clinical phase on human beings. And methods of evaluation. Methods of evaluations are animal, human being, and cell lines. On all three through all three methods it can be checked. Now first, animals. How we will check? Simple way, we will check. Take an animal, we will administer the drug, want to evaluate, and then we will check if any carcinogenesis, any cancer gets developed in the patient, in a animal on a certain duration of time. On a human being, similarly, we insert drug at clinical phase 1 and also at phase 4 for longer duration it is checked. So phase 1, if we will find any cancer development in the patient, then it can be said that it is a carcinogenic drug. And how on cell lines? Cell lines, we will take a cell line specific for carcinogenic study, then we will insert the drug in the petri dish or that any part where the cell line is present. Then we will see the effect by biomarkers. Particular carcinogenic biomarkers will be checked, whether their concentration has increased or decreased, and then we will say that this particular drug is carcinogenic. So students, in this carcinogenicity in human being, animals, or cell lines, biomarkers are evaluated before giving drug and after giving drug, and this biomarker reflects that that drug is carcinogenic or not. For different type of carcinogenicity, different biomarkers are there. That is a long story, but this topic covers basic idea. So in this basic idea, what you have understood, what is genetotoxicity, what is carcinogenicity, then definition, then you have understood it can be done at preclinical, clinical phase first, phase 4 part of drug discovery process. As far as method is concerned, it can be done on animals, human beings, and on also on cell lines. And to identify, the key point is used is biomarkers. So through this we can find out genotoxicity and carcinogenicity. Student, I hope you have understood the topic. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Digital version 2. I hope you have understood the topic. If you have any query related to the topic, you can mention in comment box. Thank you, students.